I am rating this according to value of experience. This is not a 5-star water park as there were only 6 slides, wave pool, kiddie zone and lazy river open. But the price is extremely low and makes for a good place to cool off on a hot day. It's a lot of fun even though I came alone. No queue since not really crowded on weekday. However, it started raining on 4 p.m. so I could not enjoy it to the fullest. I could not swim but I survived the wave by using the floating tube. Do not try this if you came alone and could not swim. I was literally praying that the wave could end early because my feet could not reach the bottom anymore. This is someone who could not swim nightmare. Splash Out is great for families with young children. The attractions were super fun and safe. You can do so much, slides of all shapes and sizes. A river of 350 meters and a kind of beach with real waves. In short, great experience for both adults and children. Food was also tasty and affordable. The theme park is big. Not so crowded during weekdays. There are lockers available and you can also rent a gazebo for Rm80, on a pricey side since you'll be there for 2 to 3 hours only. You can put your stuffs at some corners if you don't want to rent the gazebo. The slides are a must-go for teens and adults. Feel the adrenaline rush. The wave will be activated at a certain time and don't miss it, the waves are quite strong. There's also a lazy pool where you just relax with the float and the water flow will bring you around. The slides attractions have timings and you have to plan which one to go first. The front desk staffs will tell you when you register to check in. Floats are free for all and you can pick those available ones. Adults can join and play the slides with kids or toddler at the kids' playground. That's one of the best part. There's a canteen to buy food and drinks which are on an affordable range. Overall, my family had fun. Do take note if you're a big family and booking Grab, you have to split and book the normal cars. At first it seemed a bit underwhelming, but my mistake was comparing Splash Out to Waterbomb in Bali. This is not the same. But when you realize what you paid through Klook, it's more than worth it. The kids love it. The water park looks old but for the price we are paying, I must say it's worth it. The slide have a specific timing to play. Overall it's okay. All the process was easy to follow. The experience is good and highly recommended. The price is also very affordable. We are having so much fun in Splash Out Water Theme Park and bought a great deal. Tickets with Klook is the best offer. Less crowded, good if you are traveling with family, enjoyed a lot. Ridings have specific timings. The best. There are many people who can play to their satisfaction. The staff is always alert with the visitors who paid there. Great place even for us and we're 19. Lots of slides to enjoy and the staff are great too. A very fun day out for low cost. A little rundown. Great food deals. Only a few people there. Using Klook the price was fantastic. Friendly and helpful staff. Great value for tourists and local. It has 12 thrilling water rides for visitors of all ages. Not all rides are open at the same time. Staff were nice. We'll visit again. Awesome and fun. Perfect time and place for a family to spend time. The drink station and the smoothie were brilliant. Surf and Turf drink stall had superb smoothies. Be sure to check out the strawberry smoothie.